All right, the drink we're about to make is called Blue Mountain. Go ahead and fill up a mixing glass with ice. And we'll measure out 1.5 ounces of light rum. There's 1.5. Follow that up with 1/2 ounce of Tia Maria. And 1/2 ounce of vodka. Give it 1/2 ounce of orange juice and a splash of lime juice. Splash. All right, use your shaker. Give it a couple shakes just to mix it up. Now, as you can see, there's absolutely nothing blue about this drink. So that leads me to believe that it's named after Blue Mountain in some mountain range somewhere close by. Anyways, it's a nice orange cocktail, and the Tia Maria really gives it an interesting little coffee kick. Bottoms up.